Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix quarantine zone, the last check, gamepad or controller not working issue on PC. So let's jump to the solutions. So the very first method is to restart your PC. So for that, click on the Windows icon over here. Now click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, check whether gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, next method is to enable or disable Steam input. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on controller, and here you have to select enable Steam input and then check whether it's working or not. If not, again come back, select disable Steam input and then check whether controller or gamepad is working or not. If the issue still occurs, come back, use default settings and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to update controller drivers. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now here you have to search for device manager. Now expand human interface devices, select the controller, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your controller drivers. After that, restart your PC and then check whether controller is working or not. If not, next method is to update Windows. So for that, go to the Windows search for check for updates, and here you have to click on check for updates option and it will search if any update is available. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version and after that check whether controller is working or not. If not, next method is to remove controller and add it again. So for that, you have to go to the search option, search for settings. Now here you have to click on Bluetooth and devices and your gamepad will be added over here. You have to first remove it. For that, click on three dot icon and click on remove device. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, again go to settings, click on Bluetooth and devices, click on add a device and here you have to click on add a device and you have to add your controller over here. Now after adding it, check whether it's working or not. If not, next method is to verify integrity of game files. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So after doing this, now check whether gamepad is working or not. If not, next is to check for game updates. You must check if there is any update available for the game. So you can check if there is any update available over here. An update option will be available. Simply click on it and after updating the game, now check whether controller is working or not. If not, next is to install DS4 Windows tool. So for that, I have already provided this link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser, or even you can search for DS4 Windows in Google. So once the website opens, click on download option and this will redirect to the next page. From here you have to select and download the DS4 Windows tool. Now after you download the tool, you have to install it and after that connect your controller and update it. Once done, launch the game and then check for the error if it is resolved or not. So these are few solutions to fix gamepad or controller not working issue in quarantine zone, the last check game. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.